Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Jacky Navarro, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. Alright, so today I will show you how to go to Pattaya from Bangkok, and of course we're gonna have some mini tours in Pattaya. We're gonna go to Sanctuary of Truth. So from Bangkok, just ride any BTS or train station going to Ekamai station, and then exit number 2, and then just go to Ekamai Eastern Bus Terminal. You have two options. You can ride ride via bus or via van. So I will just show the picture right here. So it's 120 baht per person. The travel time is around 2 to 3 hours depending on traffic. Arrive and we're gonna have a room tour. So let's go. So first, this is the bathroom. Ayan siya. And there's some complimentary canambular, and there's a small bathtub, really small. We have a big mirror right here. There. And there's a cabinet with slippers and umbrella, bathrobe. Alright, and this is the bed, king size ba to or queen size, I'm not sure. And then they have a big painting, and then side lampshades, my favorite, vanity mirror, and a TV and mini ref. Let's see what's inside. They have 2 complimentary water, and then coffee for free, and tea. And the best part is we are at the beachfront. Aray ko. Ayan ang view. So wala kayo nakikita, diba? Hi mga friends! Good morning! We are here at the Garden Sea View. Good morning, my friends. We are here at the Garden Sea View Hotel, and we're gonna swim right there. Can you see the view? And this is my OOTD for today.
Take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive.
finished. So we're gonna go up now because we're a little tired and hungry. Ganda ng view. Beautiful view. So we're on lunch break. So we just finished during at Sanctuary of Truth. So now we're gonna have our lunch here. So we have a very nice view here. Ayan. Ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda talaga ng view. Ay, madilim. Ang anghang. Spicy.
And one more rice.
Parang spicy noodles tong kinakain ko. Pattaya! I didn't know that there's a Terminal 21 here. Let's go ahead and check it out.
You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh,
So we just passed by the red light district of Pattaya. So we're now here at the local walking street Pattaya. So we're gonna watch the firework festival today. So we're so excited. Sa Red Light District, grabe. Ang daming boobs, saka mga kepams. Dami ko, kinabog yung pa-boobs ko. Yan. So we just arrived in the hotel. We just finished watching the fireworks competition in Central Pattaya, and it started raining. So as you can see, I'm so haggard na and really wet, and I'm wearing a maxi dress and it's soaked in water. So there, but we really enjoy the fireworks. So we're now here at Ruang. Hi Fab friends, so we're now back here in Bangkok, and we left Pattaya at around 12:30, and right now is 12:31. So 2 hours, no?
Yes.
2 hours. So we took bus going back to Bangkok. It's for 119 baht per person. So yun. And so that's it. Bye! Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you again in our next video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button, and I will see you. Stay fabulous. Love you.